Here's a video on how to reset your oil indicator or your maintenance lights on a Mini Cooper. Now if you have a key, you're just going to want to turn the key on to the on position. If you have a button here, you're going to want to put the key in and push the button without your foot on the brake so that it doesn't start the engine. And then this will show up here. And what you're going to want to do is you push this trip button here and just hold it in. It takes about 10 seconds and then you'll start to see the different maintenance. So here's the oil. Now if you want to flip through them, you push this BC button here, and as you push it, it'll change to the different maintenance options. So what you're going to want to do is go to the oil and you're going to hold down this BC button. Just hold it down, see it says reset there. And so what we're going to do is just hold it down again, and you see the little clock going. And now it is reset 7,000 miles until the next oil change, and it tells you the date of the next oil change. Pretty nice and easy. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like this stuff. Thanks.